Hi everybody, Big Poppa here. We're gonna make some New York strips. We're gonna cook them reverse seared on the Big Poppa drum. I'm gonna come here and just trim some of the fat off here. And I'm gonna take these prime strips and I'm gonna hit them with a quick Little Louie's seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. I named this after my wife, whose middle name's Louise. When the kids were young, they called her Louie, and so I named the rub after her. Okay, we got a little base of the Little Louie's, and then we hit it with Double Secret, which is our steak rub. It's got pepper, garlic, chili, some other secret ingredients, because that's why it's Double Secret. Some citrus, because I like citrus a lot. Okay, we're gonna cook these reverse sear on the Big Poppa drum. We're gonna smoke them nice and gently. When they get about 80% done, we're gonna pull them off and we're gonna sear them. We're gonna pull these off at about 132 because that's what my family likes. When I talk about 132, I'm talking about the ending internal temperature of the meat. If you know what your pit should be and you know what the ending temperature should be, and you've got one of these trusty thermometers or wired thermometers, you'll really never make a mistake. It's foolproof. So we're gonna reverse sear these New Yorks. I can't wait for you to check them out. Big Poppa's back outside now. I'm gonna put those New Yorks on, and I'm gonna put them around the outside edge. I'm gonna set my time for 8 minutes. I'm gonna turn them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn them over. See you in 8 minutes. Okay, we're gonna sear the New Yorks now. They've been smoking in here. We're just gonna give them a couple minutes each for some good searing here. Okay, look, we're gonna get this little Double Secret here. Little Double Secret butter. Okay, we're about done here. Only takes a little bit. We need a plate. We're gonna butter them up with the Double Secret butter, and we're gonna let them rest. Then we're gonna slice and serve. Did someone say New Yorks? They have been cooked on the drum. Let's have some New Yorks for dinner.